Before I end, I have a question for you. What is your biggest strength? Please reply and let me know. Sil Babu welcomes you. Today, we are going to discuss about how to improve our English communication skills. My dear, communication plays a very big role in our life. Having strong communication skill aids in all aspects of life. When you are good in communication, your professional life, your personal life, everything grows. From a business standpoint, all transactions result from communication. Remember, good communication skills are important, are essential to allow others and yourself to understand information more accurately and quickly. Just imagine that you need to speak to someone and you have no idea about what to speak. You don't have information on that topic, so how you will be able to talk? There will be a communication gap and the person who will be listening to you will be confused. At the same time, you will not be comfortable speaking. So it is very important, whatever you speak, you have to speak it clearly and properly, and that's how you become a good communicator. Communication doesn't mean that you have to speak fluently. Communication also includes writing. If you are not good in writing, you will not be able to write correctly. You will make a lot of mistakes. Just imagine you need to write a letter to your boss, or you are applying for a job, and if you are not writing correctly, what will be your impression? So today, I will share with you 5 ways to improve your English communication skills. So what are these 5 points? Number 1, be a master listener. Now you may think, well, how listening helps in improving our communication? You are thinking this, right? Just think how you will feel when someone listens to you very carefully, without talking, just listening to you. You feel valued, right? You feel that the person is giving respect to you. You feel that they are understanding what you are saying. So it displays a way of respect for others. So be a good listener. And also emphasize on the main topic. Just don't go around the bush. You have one topic to speak, but you are talking on something else. That will not make sense. That is just a wastage of time. So what's the first point? Be a master listener. The second point, you have to be careful with your body language. People will understand a lot from your body language. So be mindful of how you portray yourself. Remember, it is same when you're talking someone face to face, or you are talking on a verbal call. So in order to develop yourself, you need to record. Before you talk, just take out some time, record yourself, talk and record. And after the recording, just see the replay. Just see how you have done. Did you speak correctly? Did you use small sentences? Did you use pauses in between? Did you smile? Did you have eye contact? All these things matters. So when you record yourself and when you understand what are your weaknesses, you will be able to overcome this very easily. Observe how you sit, observe how you stand, voice intonation, hand movements, facial expressions. If possible, ask a friend or your family member how you are doing. Ask them to give a feedback after you speak. That way you understand where you stand. The third point, be tactful. This is also another essential aspect to become a good communicator. A person who is good in communication will know what the other person is going to talk, questions they may ask. They are always prepared. So how to become a good communicator? How to become an experienced communicator? You need to listen more. Listen or watch videos of people who are very good in communication. How they talk, how they smile, how they interact with others. Suppose the language you were speaking is English. In such cases, you need to be good in English as well. Another important thing is that you need to handle your emotions. Being emotionally stable will keep you organized and you will have more clarity on what you speak. Got it? Let's move on to point number 4. Be brief and to the point. Imagine you have to talk on the topic of how to maintain a good health. Instead, you talk about how to become a doctor, how to become an engineer. How the person will think, what they will think. They will be confused. Moreover, you are wasting their time. You are wasting your time also. So always try to talk on the point. Plus, most important thing, try to use small sentences with easy words so that others can understand very easily. Try to avoid fillers. Many a times we use fillers like got it? We keep using these words many a times. So avoid these things. The final point, practice more. There is a saying, practice makes a woman or a man perfect. So to become perfect, you need to practice regularly. To become a good communicator, to become strong in communication, two important things are required. You need to read and you need to write regularly. 30 minutes every day, I will tell you. You have to do this. This will help you to strengthen your thoughts. Also, to become a good communicator, to have a good communication skill, you need to have knowledge on many topics, especially current affairs. Suppose you are talking on one topic and a question comes up from the public regarding the current affairs, regarding something different. You should not fumble. Instead, you should respond to them confidently. For that, you need knowledge. To have more knowledge, you need to read more. Listen to daily news. Watch daily news. After watching, understand, analyze, join public events. If some public events are going on in your town, join those events so that you get the idea how people talk. This is how you become a good speaker and a great speaker. Before I end, I have a question for you. What is your biggest strength? Please reply and let me know. I want to listen from you. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.